Good evening everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn chapter Acids, Bases and Cells part 5. In this part we will learn about cells. First, a substance formed by neutralization of an acid and base is called salt. A substance formed by the neutralization neutralization of an acid and a base is called salt. Of an acid and a base is called salt. Acid plus base is equal to salt plus water. Acid plus base is salt plus water. First, H2SO4 plus 2NaOH is Na2SO4 plus 2H2O means H2SO4 plus 2NaOH Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. And second is 2HCI plus CuO is CuCl2 plus H2O. Properties of cells. Most of the cells are solids with high melting points and boiling points. Second property is cells are usually soluble in water. However, cells like carbonates, oxides and sulfates are generally insoluble in water. And the third one is cell solutions in water are good conductors of electricity. Now we will learn about hydrated cells. What are hydrated cells? So, crystals of some cells have some fixed number of water molecules attached to them. Such cells are called hydrated cells, and the water molecules attached to them form the water of crystallization. First, hydrated cell formula and color. Means first formula and color. First hydrated cell is copper sulfate. First, COPPERSULFATE. Copper sulfate. Formula is CuSO4 5H2O. And color is blue. Second, iron sulfate. Iron sulfate. And the formula is FeSO4 7H2O, and the color is green. Third one is sodium carbonate. Formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3 10H2O, and the color is white. WHITE, white. Fourth one is magnesium sulfate. And the formula is MgSO4 and 7H2O, and the color is white, again white. And the fifth and the last one is zinc sulfate. Formula is ZnSO4 7H2O, again the color is white. Now we will learn about next cells. Next one is ANHYDROUS, anhydrous sand. So anhydrous salt is formed as a residue when a hydrated salt loses its water of crystallization. Example: on heating, copper sulfate crystals lose water of crystallization and become anhydrous copper sulfate, means white powder. Now the next one is deliquescent cells. The cells which change into solution on absorbing water from air are called deliquescent cells. Example: calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, mercuric nitrate, zinc chloride. Naming of the cells. What are the naming of the cells? First, naming of the cells. A1, there are many. The first one is A. Cells obtained from sulfuric acid are called sulfates. Sulfuric acid are called sulfates. Example: sodium nitrate, sodium sulfate, copper sulfate. B1, cells obtained from hydrochloric acid are called chlorides. Obtained from hydrochloric acid are called chlorides. B. Example is potassium chloride, zinc chloride, and the C one is salts obtained from nitric acid are called nitrates. Nitric acid are called nitrates. The example is example of nitrate is first calcium nitrate, second lead nitrate. Fourth one is salts obtained from carbonic acid are called carbonates. Carbonic acid are called carbonates. Examples of carbonates are calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. E1 salts obtained from phosphoric acid are called phosphates. Phosphoric acid are called phosphoric. Salts obtained from phosphoric acids are called phosphates. And the examples of phosphates are calcium phosphate, potassium phosphate. Now we will learn uses of salts in daily life. There are many uses of salts in daily life. First is common salt. We use common salt in large amount as table salt. It is used for preservation of food in pickling. Third, it is used to preserve raw hides. Fourth, it is used in manufacture of chemicals such as chlorine and caustic soda. So this was common salt, first uses of salt in daily life. There are 10 more uses and some common salts and their formulae. We will learn this in next part. The last part will be part 6 of this chapter, acid, bases and salt. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand.